comfortable design, great audio with the ANC and the LDAC codec, 75-hour battery life and an even better price tag, the OneOdio Focus A5 offer great performance at a very competitive price point. So do they live up to the hype? Let's take a look. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by OneOdio and they've sent me the headphones to showcase to you guys. So here we have the Focus A5s, and I've got the grey gold colour here, but they're also available in a black and a blue colour. They feel well built and they're made of a solid plastic shell for the headband and the cups, and then we've got a metal connecting rod. And overall I think it's a very sleek and elegant design with these white, cream and gold colours, and then we've got these textured lines on the ear cups. Now they're lightweight and comfortable, which is great, and then there's also 90 degrees of adjustment on the ear cups to get the perfect fit. And then we've got the ultra soft protein leatherette ear cups with memory foam padding, and they fit nice and snug, yet they still feel very comfortable, and you can also neatly collapse them to transport them around. Now on the left ear cup there aren't any buttons, just a hole for the microphone, and then over on the right we've got the USB-C port, we've got the ANC button to control the noise cancellation modes, we've then got the power button and the volume rockers. So arguably the most important aspect of the headphones are the sound and the features. So if we start with the sound, and this is where they really shine, and I was really impressed with the sound quality of these headphones for the price range, and everything just sounds really nice and clean. With the 40mm custom dynamic drivers, we've got clear mids and crisp highs, and then we've also got some nice soothing lows, and it's great for those of you that want a nice balanced sound to your music. Now I then increased the bass and listened to some bass boosted songs, and the Focus A5s also performed really well with some nice deep bass, and even when I crank up the volume levels really high, they're not suffering with distortion. Now we get support for high-res wireless audio with the LDAC codec, and this is usually enabled by default these days, but it's always worth going into your Bluetooth settings and checking. And they also use the latest Bluetooth 5.4, and overall it's just a pleasure to listen to all genres using the Focus A5. Now when it comes to features, it's actually a little bit different than many other headphones, and OneOdio have simplified everything down to make things easier for those of you that just want to listen to your music with no fuss. So when it comes to the active noise cancellation, you just press the ANC button to switch between the different noise cancelling modes, and we've also got an AI-based adaptive ANC, and this is going to automatically adjust to your surroundings, so it's going to switch between their indoor mode, outdoor mode and commute mode, and this is going to provide you with the best ANC in a simple button press. It's a hybrid ANC with 45 decibels of depth to enjoy your music without any distractions. And if you press the ANC button again, it switches to noise cancelling off mode. And then if you press it one more time, it enables the ambient mode. And this is the mode that I always use when running for safety. Now it's all very simple to control, and there's actually no application to go with these headphones. And this means everything can be controlled from the headphones themselves. But it means if you want to make adjustments to things like the EQ, then you need to do it in your music player. Now we've also got volume buttons on the right ear cup to easily control the volume up and down, as well as the power button to turn the headphones on or off. Now the power button can also be used to answer or hang up with your incoming phone calls, and then you can also use the buttons to hold calls and switch between multiple calls. And I made a few calls wearing these headphones, and of course everything sounded great for me. And asking people on the other end of the phone, they also said that the microphone was nice and crisp and they could hear everything I was saying perfectly. Now powering the Focus A5s, we've got a 600 mAh battery, and according to the OneOdio specs, it's going to deliver 75 hours of playback with ANC off. And then if you turn ANC on, you can expect about 45 hours of music playback, and after a couple of weeks of use, this seems to be pretty accurate. Now if you ever do run out of battery, we've also got quick charging via the USB-C port, and 10 minutes of charge is going to deliver 10 minutes of music playback. Now when it comes to the unboxing, you can see it's well packaged as you'd expect, and if we open it up, it's nice and simple here with the USB-A to USB-C cable first. We've then got the Focus A5 headphones in this protective wrap. Then underneath all that, we've got the manuals and documentation. When it comes to pricing, I've placed the promo codes down in the description below, and this makes them $48.59 on Amazon UK. It's $44.99 on Amazon USA, and then $55.99 from their official website. And of course, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out now. But to be fair, the audio quality was much better than I expected for a set of headphones in this price range, and the crisp and clean audio just makes for a great listening experience whether I'm out running or listening to music in the office. Now, the lack of an app could put some people off who like to go in and make lots of customizations, but for those of you that want simplicity and a quick access to your music, it means you've got all of the controls available on the headphones themselves. Now, you can still make EQ adjustments in your players, of course, and I hope that I've covered everything for you guys today. But of course, if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.